Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over if your Facebook featured photos are not showing up. So I have Facebook open here. I'll tap on the little profile icon on the top left here to go to my profile, and you can see here this photo is one of my featured photos. If I just tap on it, I can go edit featured. You can see here it doesn't show up. It basically shows up as a blank. And then it gives me the option to add various different ones. One of the things you can do if this is what you're running into is you can hit cancel, and you can just go up here and go to edit public details, and then you scroll down and you can see all the featured ones here. Potentially what happens is that when you click on it like this, again, you don't see them here. You can always, click to delete it and then add it again. If that keeps on, messing up and it's not working, what I would recommend doing is kind of resetting the app by offloading it. So you can go into settings here. You can go into general and then iPhone storage. And then you'll basically be able to scroll down to Facebook once this stops loading. Here we'll find Facebook right there, and it gives you the option to offload the app. I'll just tap that, and what that does is it kind of removes all the cached data and information on the app, and then you can reinstall it from there. It won't change anything on the app. It won't delete any of your information. It just kind of resets everything from the Facebook servers. So once that's done, you can go back and, once it's finished loading, you can go back and open up Facebook again. And then from there, you'll be able to look at your featured photos, and they should be showing up fine after that. Potentially, you might have to add them back in again if they keep not showing up. But ultimately, it's a glitch with Facebook, so kind of reinstalling it like we did here, this should clear anything up because it kind of resets everything, fresh without deleting any of your information. So there we go. Facebook is back here. I can tap on my little profile icon and then go back in here to edit public details and mess with my featured images here. So that's it. Hope this helped. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.